Chapter 6. Birds Friends of the Sky. Stepping up. How birds use their beaks, how birds fly, feet and claws of birds, nesting habits, birds and their young ones. Children, today we will talk about birds. Which bird do you like most, Rohan? I like many birds. But albatross is my favorite. Okay, now tell me which is the largest living bird on earth? Ma'am, ostrich is the largest living bird on earth. Very good, Kapil. Now tell me which bird is the state bird of the 3 Indian states? Ma'am, is it the great hornbill? Ma'am, is it the hill myna? Ma'am, is it the great flamingo? No, you all are wrong. Blue jay is the state bird of 3 Indian states, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Odisha. Okay, now we will discuss more about the birds. Okay, ma'am, birds have a light body and special body parts called wings which help them to fly. They also have other interesting body parts such as claws and beaks, which help them to catch food and build nests. Beaks of birds. The mouth of a bird is called the beak. It is also called bill. Birds use their beaks for eating, defense, feeding young ones, gathering food and nesting materials, building nests, preening, scratching and attacking. Beaks are also used to drink, hold, pierce and tear food. They are of different shapes and sizes. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the type of food it eats. Birds do not have teeth inside their beaks. Different kinds of beaks. Strong, sharp and hooked beak, eagles, vultures and kites are birds of prey. They eat small animals like chicks, mice, frogs and snakes. They have strong, sharp and hooked beaks to tear flesh. Short, hard and horny beak. Sparrows, pigeons, peacocks and finches have short, hard and horny beaks to crush grains and seeds. Curved beak. The curved beak of a parakeet helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. This curved beak also helps it to climb trees. Strong and chisel-shaped beak. A woodpecker has a strong and chisel-shaped beak. This helps it to tap the bark of trees and take out insects. Broad and short beak. The broad and short beak of a swallow is sticky on the inside. The bird moves round and round in the air with its beak open. Tiny flying insects get stuck inside. Long and slender beak. A hoopoe is able to pull out insects from holes in the ground. For this, it has a long and slender beak. Broad and flat beak. The broad and flat beak of a duck has tiny holes on the sides. The duck takes in muddy water with insects, worms and water plants. The mud and water flow out through the tiny holes, leaving the plants and insects inside the beak. How does a bird fly? Most birds can fly. Their body is covered with different types of feathers. Birds have small, light and fluffy feathers which cover their body and keep them warm. These are called down feathers. The long and stiff flight feathers are on the wings and tails. These help a bird to fly. Birds shed their feathers from time to time and new feathers grow in their place. Birds have 2 wings which help them to fly. The wings have flight feathers and are attached to the body with strong muscles. They use these muscles to flap the wings. The body of a bird is shaped like a boat. Their bones are hollow and light. The twisting tail helps with the speed and direction. These features of a bird helps it to fly easily. Birds flap their wings up and down to fly. The upward movement of wings is known as upstroke and the downward movement is known as downstroke. Feet and claws. All birds have 2 feet with 4 toes each. Each toe has a claw. Birds use their feet and claws to catch and hold food, to hop and walk and to protect themselves from their enemies. Small birds like sparrows and hummingbirds flap their wings. Some birds like the kite glide in the sky. They have strong wings and do not flap them often. Some birds like the ostrich and kiwi cannot fly at all. Flesh-eating birds like vultures, eagles and hawks have sharp claws called talons. They use the talons to catch and hold their prey like rats and toads. Perching birds like crows, pigeons and sparrows use their feet to hold on to the branches. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. The back toe curve around the branch, due to which these birds do not fall off even while sleeping. Scratching birds like hens scratch the ground to dig out insects and buried seeds. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. The toes have sharp and hard claws to scratch the ground for seeds and worms. Climbing birds like parrots and woodpeckers have 2 toes that point in the upward direction and 2 toes that point in the downward direction. These toes help them in climbing trees and holding onto branches. Cranes and herons are birds that walk through muddy water. This is called wading. These birds have long legs with spread out toes. The toes help them to stand on the soft mud without sinking. The long legs help them to walk without getting their feathers wet. Birds like ducks and geese have webbed feet which help them to push back water while swimming. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. They have skin between their 3 front toes. This skin is called web. Did you know? The feet of hummingbirds are very small, due to which they are unable to walk on the ground. Did you know? Duck pluck feathers from their chest and use them to line their nests. Nesting habits. Birds build nests. Some birds build nests on the ground and some in trees and bushes. Nests built in trees are safer. Most nests are made of dry grass and twigs. Mud is also used quite often to make nests. Soft things like moss, feathers, wool or grass are used for lining the nest from inside. Birds build different kinds of nests. The tailor bird. The tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with plant fibers. Each stitch is tied in a knot. The weaver bird. The weaver bird weaves a nest of grass in a tree. The nest is made soft from inside with feathers. It looks like a bottle hanging upside down. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. The woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks the bark of a tree to make a hole. It lines its nest with chips of wood. The penguin. The penguin collects a few pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. The penguin holds the eggs on its legs to keep it off the cold ground. Caring for the young ones. After the mother bird lays her eggs, she sits on them to keep them warm. The father bird protects them from enemies. When the babies come out, they are weak and featherless. Their eyes are closed. The parents feed them and keep them in warm. They protect them from enemies and bad weather. The babies grow very fast. The parents look after the babies till their feathers grow and they learn to fly and look for food on their own. Now you know a lot about birds. If you see a nest with eggs in it, do not disturb it. Watch it every day. Soon you will see little birds in the nest. Watch the birds grow. Remember, always watch birds quietly and from a distance so as not to disturb them. Let us say it again. Birds are the only animals with feathers and beaks. Birds use their beaks to catch and hold their food and to build nests. Birds have 2 feet and 4 toes with claws on each feet. Birds build different kinds of nests when they have to lay eggs. Birds have special features like wings, tail, light bones and a boat-shaped body which help them to fly. Different birds build different kinds of nests to lay eggs. Birds take care of their young ones till they learn to fly. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. The bones of birds are A. Heavy, B. Hollow, C. Long. 2 talons are present in A. Ducks, B. vultures, C. Sunbirds. 3. A woodpecker makes its nest in the A. Ground, B. Tree trunk, C. Ledge. 4. A bird that has webbed feet is A. Duck, B. Crow, C. Kingfisher. 5. These birds of prey have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. A. Eagles, vultures and sparrows, B. Eagles, vultures and kites, C. Vultures, kites and pigeons. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Eagles, vultures and kites are 2. Birds have two which help them to fly. 3. Birds' bones are and 4. Flesh-eating birds like vultures, eagles and hawks have sharp claws called 5. The bird weaves a nest of grass in a tree. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. A woodpecker has a strong and chisel-shaped beak. 2. The body of a bird is shaped like a boat. 3. All birds have 4 feet with 2 toes each. 4. The parakeet pecks the bark of a tree to make a hole. 5. Birds take care of their young ones till they learn to fly. D. Answer these questions. 1. What kind of beaks do most grain-eating birds have? 2. What are the uses of the curved beak of a parakeet? 3. How is a duck's beak different from that of a sparrow? 4. What are talons? 5. What helps a bird to fly? 6. How do birds look after their babies? HOTS questions. 1. Why is cuckoo called a clever bird? 2. What would happen if there were no side holes on the beak of a duck? 3. What would happen if water birds had toes not joined by a web? Activity. Follow the steps to make a bird. Life skills. Feed the birds. 1. You can keep earthen bowls filled with fresh water and some grains, bajra, on the terrace of your house. 2. Do not throw stones at birds to shoo them away. Teacher's tips. Explain to the children that most birds fly with the help of their wings and feathers. Tell them that birds are the only animals with a beak. Explain what enables a bird to fly. Show the students different kinds of feathers.